You're tired of changing your water over and over? This is 2.5-inch PVC, 1/2-inch threaded. When you press on them, the water comes out. Here comes Jackie. She's going to show you how to use it. So, you have one end here that has a pump that goes out to a rain barrel. This is a water rain barrel. Pump is just for circulating so you don't freeze the water in the winter and you keep it from having algae. The other end, the pump comes up and feeds the water back into the barrel. Hey, on our first video we showed you the water bar. If we thought we'd show you the back end where all the water goes in and comes out. And this is a rain barrel that basically holds 50 gallons. And it comes with this downspout. And then I bought an additional one that screwed into this hole that they already pre-drilled for me. But basically down here at the water bar there's a pump that pumps the water from the valve at the bottom. You can do this without a pump. It can be gravity fed, but we do it with a pump to keep it circulating for algae and helping with it not freezing. And then once it pumps it through the water bar, then it goes back up and then funnels back into the barrel. You can put the hose underneath the screen if you don't want to put an extra nozzle on there, but I'm choosing to do it this way. And then one last point is when you get down to really cold temperatures, there is an element that I can show you in a later video that goes in here that plugs in, that keeps it from freezing, keeps the water warm enough where it won't freeze. Alright, if you have any questions, comment below.